Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in this video, we are going to speak about next topic on market maker buy model and sell model. In last previous video, I explained what is market maker buy model and what is market maker sell model and how they get formed. Now, as we know how they get formed, we have to we are going to learn how to use that information to execute our trades. So after watching this video, you guys are not going to trade blindly. After watching this video, you guys are going to have a proper perspective behind each and every single trade you execute. This video is going to be very important video as a beginner or as an intermediate or an advanced ICT trader, because this video is going to open up your mind to the different level of trading and how you need to trade. I'm going to show you a losing trade and a profitable trade with this concept. Okay, so hope you guys have learned. So let's recap what we have learned, okay, so far. So in last video I said, forgetting that accumulation, reaccumulation, blah blah, black sheep, all these terms, let's consider this as a low, a high, and a lower low. If market wants to go up, market has to create low, high, higher low, and higher high, right? Market has to create low, high, higher low, higher high. But what market is doing, market is creating a low, a high, and a lower low. So market is breaking its previous low. When the previous low is broken, this becomes completion of market maker sell model. Similarly to the buying side, when you have a high, a low, and a higher high, this is completion of market maker buy model. Because if market wants to go down, market has to create a lower high and a lower low, like this: high, low, lower high, lower low. But instead of creating a lower high, market is creating a higher high. This is completion of market maker buy model. So once you know this concept, how to use this, so the important rule over here is that we are going to wait after market maker buy model and sell model gets complete. The rule is, let me write this down, so you guys also need to write it down. The rule is, after completion of market maker buy model, we stop buying. And second is, after completion of market maker sell model, we stop selling. These are the two important terms you need to remember. What does that means? What does it means? It means simple. Over here, low of this candle, low, high, lower low. This is completion of market maker sell model, right? So after market maker sell model is complete, you are going to wait. You're not going to look for sells. This sells, you're not going to participate in the sells. Either you're going to look for buys. Why? With an expectation that if market wants to go lower after completion of market maker sell model, over here, low, high, lower low, what is the next step? You're not selling, you're waiting. If market, now after completion of market maker sell model, what are you expecting? You're expecting if market wants to go down, what it has to create? It has to create a higher low, right? Low, high, lower low, lower high. So after completion of market maker sell model, you are going to come in the market with an expectation of a buy entry to market, so that market creates a lower high, then look for sells, right? Understand? But if you don't get a buy entry over here, and the buys which you enter does not come into the premium area, means if you buy over here and if your buys don't enter over here in premium, you are not going to participate in the sales. You are not going to participate in the sales, because once the market maker sell model is complete, over here you are still in discount area. The reason stop selling after market maker sell model is complete is because once the market maker sell model is complete, you are still in discount. When you are in discount, you are not supposed to sell, you are supposed to buy. And the buys which you participate over here is the counter trend buys, means low, high, lower low. You buy over here with an expectation market goes into premium and then continues to start going down. But if this retracement which is coming is not coming into premium, you are not going to participate in the sells. Simple, simple. So what market did till then? What market did? Market completed market maker sell model, did not come into premium, but instead kept on going down, completing this market maker sell model and eventually completing the higher time frame market maker sell model, and this some like after creating market after completion of market maker sell model. Now what market did? This is 7 a.m. open. Let me take everything out. Okay, this is 7 a.m. open. So what do we do if we are not selling after market maker sell model is complete? Then what are we doing? We are buying after market maker sell model is complete, right? So now we go on lower time frames. Okay, market is coming down, and to be honest, after 2 a.m. EST, we are going to trade in sessions, the kill zones that ICT has provided to us, right? This is 2 a.m. over here. So this is the opening price. And once market maker sell model was complete over here and market was below, what you can see over here, market maker sell model is complete, and you can see this low is been taken out, swing low is been taken out, swing high is been taken out, and we have a small fair value gap. And as you can see this arrow, this was an execution candle, and I entered for buys expecting market to go up into this premium and then look for sells, but instead market stopped me out. So this strategy which I'm teaching you is not 100%, but it gives you context that why am I buying over here after market maker sell model is complete. After market maker sell model is complete, we are still in discount zone, and once we are in discount zone, we are not looking for sells, we are looking for buys, so the market comes into premium and then give us then give us selling opportunity to go down. But instead market gave me a buying opportunity, and this is going to be a game changer for you guys over here. Once I have a buying from here, from this to this, once you have a buying, market comes into premium. Market didn't break this high, but market comes into premium. Market gives me entry in discount, goes into premium, and then collapses again, stops me out, and then market is going down, and you can see market is going up, but no fair value gap. Market is going up, but no fair value gap, and then market breaks down. Then after market is doing at what is it doing at 7 a.m. over here. After 7 a.m. starts, market is up, and I'm looking for what? Looking for sells. So this is a sell entry, which I like. Not this. 1 minute. Okay, I kind of went there and was looking for buys. Okay, this was the buy entry over here. I took this blue arrow. You can see this is the buy entry, and why this is a buy entry on lower time frame, on 1 minute time frame. This was a buy entry. Then I realized that okay, the market is above 7 a.m. and I cannot be buying. Okay, even though market is in discount, market is coming down, but market is above the opening price, New York opening price. So I should not be buying. And once market was in profits, some profit, I closed my trade over here, and as soon as I closed my trade, market went down. If I would have hold mine, I would have got stopped out again. Then market goes down, market goes below 7 a.m. EST. Then market then what market does? This is a 7 a.m. EST opening. Market goes below there, and 8:30 a.m. starts. Market goes below 8:30 a.m. goes up. Now what market is doing? Taking the lows, tweaking the highs, and then creating a fair value gap. And once market is creating a fair value gap, this model is ICT 2022 model. Market comes into fair value gap. I am buying till where? Low resistance liquidity run, with an expectation that market maker buy model gets complete, right? And this will be market maker buy model completion. So once you have, this is smart money reversal. The reason I got stopped out over here or over here is because I was trying to catch smart money reversals. But to be a profitable trader, if you leave the smart money reversals, what you have, once smart money reversal happens over here, this is the entry. After you get market, you get another push, market goes up, market breaks this high. Okay, once the high is broken, what is market doing? Market is coming into fair value gap. This can be your entry pattern, right? This can be your entry pattern, because I am entering over here, I'm not focusing on entering over there. And this can be a take profit. Simple. And like this can be partials, and then this is the ultimate target. So this is how we are trading, we are not chasing the market. Once market maker sell model is complete, then we are looking for buys so that market creates a lower high to go down. And once market maker buy model is complete over here, somewhere, 1 minute. Okay, so this was the highs. Once market maker buy model is complete, you are going up over here and looking for sells. Once buy model is complete, you're looking for sells over here and then sells. You sell over here, market comes here and stops you out. But then again you go and sell, market gives you profit, profit and profit. So why? Because if you, this is high, low, higher high, and you go up here, you become a breakout artist and look for buys, you are already in premium. That is why once market maker buy model is complete, you're not looking for buys anymore. You wait, you look for sells, you get stopped out. You sell and then you get this much. What is this? If I can show you entry on 1 minute chart, 1 minute chart over here. So this is swing high broken, swing low broken, and this is fair value gap. Market comes into fair value gap. Market comes into fair value gap. You place a short entry over here. Stops go here. And now what becomes a take profit? Your take profit becomes this. So what is this trade? 1:25 trade. So now, is it possible to catch 1:16, 1:25 trade with this strategy? It is simple. But do you have the audacity to hold this kind of big trades? Are you capable of holding the trade for 1:1 before thinking that you're going to hold the trades for 1:25? Do you know market is going to start keep on coming down over here? Nope. What am I trying to teach is, once you know, once market maker buy model gets complete, our focus shifts from buying to selling. Once market maker sell model gets complete, our focus shifts from selling to buying. Buying till where? From this high to this low. You buy over here. This becomes your first exit point. This becomes your second exit point, and this becomes your third exit point. Why? Because all the swing highs available over here are in premium. You bought in discount and you offloaded your account in premium. You buy in discount and you offload your positions in premium. So the number one takeaway from this video is, once you identify market maker buy model completion, stop buying and focus on sells. And once you understand, or once you notice market maker sell model completion, stop selling and focus on buying. That's what I want to say. That's it. If you can do that, it becomes a game changer, right? So what you have to do, the rules is, you have to wait for 2 a.m. open. 2 a.m. open. Once the 2 a.m. is open, you have to, after 2 a.m. gets open, you have to see what market has done. Before this 2 a.m. get open, what has market done? Market has created, finished market maker sell model. So now your job is to look for buys. Okay, you get stopped out, fine. After then you go on 7 a.m. open. Okay, this is 7 a.m. open, and before 7 a.m. open, what has market done? Market has completed market maker sell model. Before 7 a.m. open, market has completed market maker sell model. So your job is to look for buys. So over here, market is above 7 a.m. open. So you are not participating in this. Once market goes down and comes up and below 7 a.m. open, below 8:30 a.m. open, you're focusing on buys, because market has completed its market maker sell model, and market is below the opening price. Below the opening price, you are able to buy. Right? So now time, opening price plays a very important role in making you execute. Okay, so let's say market maker sell model is complete and this 2 a.m. open. After 2 a.m. open, market is hovering up over here. You're not participating in this price action because market maker sell has complete, and you should be focusing on buys. If market is about 2 a.m. opening price, you're not participating in this price action. You wait for market to go below 2 a.m. open. Because sell is complete, you market to go below 2 a.m. open and give you buy entry. If you get stopped out, fine. So once 7 a.m. starts, before 7 a.m. market maker sell model is complete, 7 a.m. open and market is hovering above 7 a.m. open, you're not participating in this price action. You wait for market to come below 7 a.m. open, and then you look for buys below 7 a.m.